Okay, good morning, honorable gather here. This is INOAUG PowerGrad Oracle ā'pěks Fundamentals, Oracle ā'pěks Training Program for National Engineering College, Kovilpatti. Myself, Karkuvel Raja Thangamariappan. I am working as a lead engineer for a company called Damak Properties, Dubai. I am certified Oracle professional and Oracle ACE Pro, having 8+ years of experience in developing web application using Oracle ā'pěks. Also, I am serving as the Director, Training and Special Project for the Community India Oracle ā'pěks User Group. So far, I have trained 200+ college students on Oracle ā'pěks. This is my blog. I have written 138 blog posts on Oracle ā'pěks. Let's begin. First of all, I would like to convey our thanks to National Engineering College and KR Group of Institutions correspondent, Thru KR Arunachalam sir. And we would like to extend our thanks to the director, Dr. S. Sanmugavel sir, the principal, Dr. K. Kalisas Murugavel sir, all deans, all department HODs and staffs. Thank you for this opportunity. It's my privilege to welcoming superstars for the day. Today, our resource person is Chaitanya Koratamadi. Chaitanya is a senior principal product manager for Oracle ā'pěks database tools, and he is responsible for all product management activities of Oracle ā'pěks, including ā'pěks on autonomous and ā'pěks service. He is on a mission to ensure customer embrace and utilize the full potential of low-code application development with Oracle ā'pěks. He has extensive knowledge of and experience with various Oracle technologies such as Oracle ā'pěks, Oracle SQL Developer, Oracle Database, Oracle Autonomous Database, and Fusion Middleware. He is a regular speaker at various global conferences. By following Chaitanya on Twitter, you can gain insights into what Chaitanya is up to. We welcome you, sir. Thanks for accepting our invitation and present here. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. And today, chief guest, Mr. Ankush Mittal. He is a business IT head at Retail Logistics, Dubai. He has high work ethics and a general can-do approach. He is having extensive expertise in building and leading global teams in terms of technical, functional, and business aspects to identify all the in and out potential trends, key barriers, and to implement effective and innovative business solutions in various regions. He has proven track record of success in developing and executing sustainable IT and supply chain strategies with key knowledge in system and programs from concept till the delivery, which enhance efficiency, revenue, and reduce cost to the overall business. He is always self-motivated, loves to take new initiatives, pointing out opportunities to utilize IT more efficiently. Strong belief that technology should serve and meet our needs. He has strong professional skills with a master in information technology and 1-year executive general management program from Tier 1 Business School. Thanks for accepting our invitation and present here. We welcome you, Ankush Mittal.
Thank you very much, Kalkaraja, and for the brief introduction. It's always good to listen about yourself, but it's embarrassing sometimes. But thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And today, Director, Placement and Overseas of INOAUG, Varghese Matthew. He is an Oracle certified professional and Oracle ACE associate with 22+ years of experience in IT industries. He has rich knowledge in almost all the Oracle technologies, I would say. He is a CEO and CTO of ATC Technologies Sharjah, and he serves as the Director, Overseas and Placement for the Community India Oracle ā'pěks User Group. As part of the INOAUG community in Kerala chapter, he has trained more than 200+ students, and he aims to train more than 1,000 students from now on. Thanks for accepting our invitation and present here. We welcome you, Varghese Matthew. Yeah. About Chitra Ranjan, he is our NEC alumni, 1990 ECE passed out. He is currently working as an executive electrical engineering at Main Heart Singapore Pte Limited, Singapore. He is also a member of Institute of Engineers India, IEEE USA Association, Institute of Engineers Associations, Singapore and Sri Lanka. He is a founder and current NEC Asia Pacific Chapter, ā'pěks President and Assistant Secretary in NEC Alumni. Thanks for accepting our invitation and present here, Chittaranjan. We welcome you, Chittaranjan.
Thanks, Karkwel, and it's a pleasure to be back back in the college.
Yeah, thank you so much. I would like to welcome our resource person, Mr. Chaitanya, to come forward and talk about Oracle ā'pěks. This session going to be very interesting for sure.
Thank you, Karkwel, and let me just share my screen first and let me know if you're able to see my slides. Do you see my slides?
Yes, Chaitanya.
Okay. All right, so let me just get started. First of all, I would like to extend thanks to India Oracle ā'pěks User Group, INOAUG, and Mr. Karkwel Raja, Mr. Varghese, and to all the guests here today, management NEC, and all the professors, head of the departments, and faculty, teaching and non-teaching staff for this warm welcome and having me here today. It's really a great pleasure to be joining these kind of events. I always love to talk to students, and thank you so much once again for this. I think it's okay if I sleep for maybe 5 more minutes. I was given like 20 minutes, maybe I'll take 5 more minutes extra with your permission if I'm not done. Okay.
You take 5 minutes from me, so don't worry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Even if it is valued to the students, take 10 minutes also.
Thank you so much. I mean, let me try to complete.
We always respect those guests which we get a more larger time.
Let me try to complete as much as I can in the stipulated time and see if I will borrow some from you guys. Okay, so good morning, everyone. And what I'm going to talk to you is accelerating your career with ā'pěks. While I really appreciate Karkwel Raja has given a very nice, it's very kind of talking about me, nice sentences from my profile. It's been like more than 18 years, I think 18 years with Oracle. And I have got almost like 20 years of experience overall in the industry, 20 plus, I believe. And I was also associated partly with the teaching, because teaching was my passion initially. And I started interacting with students. I used to train folks in C, C++, Java, those days, good old days. So I really feel happy always to interact with you. Here you go. This is my Twitter handle, Chaitanya_IN. I would really encourage all the students here, and for that matter, even I would request a faculty to please get into Twitter right now, because ā'pěks is available. I mean, like rather than we would say go to ā'pěks.oracle.com or maybe go to other sites, we always insist people to be part of social media, especially Twitter, because all the discussions of ā'pěks happen most of the time in Twitter and maybe to some extent on LinkedIn. So I would really request you to join Twitter. I'm not advertising for Twitter here, but I would just like to know that this is a very good medium for you to interact with professionals like us, to get an opportunity to talk to the ā'pěks team and also the community. So please get into Twitter. So as Karkwel mentioned, I'm a senior principal product manager with ā'pěks, part of the database tools group in Oracle. I'm primarily responsible for Oracle ā'pěks, ā'pěks on premises, ā'pěks on cloud, and ā'pěks on autonomous database. What am I going to talk to you today? First thing I would like to help you out is with how do you pronounce ā'pěks? Okay, the moment you see ā'pěks, we tend to say ā'pěks. Okay, ā'pěks body or something like that. So we need to come out of that and pronounce it a little bit differently as ā'pěks, as you see here, the phonetical pronunciation for that. So maybe towards the end of the day, I think Karkwel Raja should take a poll, maybe, how, or maybe do some kind of quiz and see how many can pronounce it correctly. Towards the end of the training, I would say. And one who can pronounce it properly will get a prize. Okay, let's make the deal. Low-code application development is what I'm going to talk quickly, and then we'll jump into ā'pěks. Why you need to look for ā'pěks. ā'pěks in the real world, and some useful resources. See, overall, this is what the agenda is. I might slip up and down a little bit, but let's see. Well, this slide talks about Steve Jobs, as you know here, and who visualized low code way before all of us did. Of course, ā'pěks has been a low-code application development platform since the last 10, 12 years. We are in the industry for the last 20 years. But Steve Jobs is someone who realized it way back in one of his sessions for a WWDC 97. He mentioned the line of code that's the fastest to write, that never breaks, that doesn't need maintenance, is the line you never had to write. So with this, you can understand what low-code application development is all about and what he visualized. It means do less, right? Do more with less. Means less code, but you produce more. Do more with less is the motto of low-code application development. And what it is actually is, instead of spending hours and hours and thousands of lines of code, you spend more time in solving a business problem. Why do we build applications? We build applications to solve a particular business problem, right? So instead of writing hundreds and thousands of lines of code, focus on solving the business problem. And that's exactly what is meant by low-code application development, right? So instead of writing code, you just drag and drop things, you stitch together bits and pieces, tailor them into an application, and it is called as a low-code application. Well, I'm sure you'll understand more as you progress with in your ā'pěks journey. What is ā'pěks? Yet by now you understand that ā'pěks is a low-code application development tool. ā'pěks is the world's most popular low-code application development platform, which allows you to build secure, scalable enterprise applications with world-class features that can be deployed anywhere. This is the world's most popular low-code application platform. We definitely do have competition, but Kovilpatti and his team will be walking you through why ā'pěks is superior when compared to the other low-code tools in the market. I'm sure you will be able to write up a summary towards the end of the training that ā'pěks is definitely the best low-code tool or low-code application platform on the planet. And then ā'pěks is Oracle's strategic low-code application development platform. What do you do with ā'pěks? You build applications. You deploy, you develop and deploy compelling applications which solve real business problems and provide immediate value. Just now I mentioned, you build an application to solve a business problem. So ā'pěks helps you to build such applications which provide immediate value and solve your real business problem. You as students might think, what can be a problem? For example, your examination department or maybe the exam team in your university or your college might be having some problem. Probably tracking attendance of the students, or might be probably tracking attendance of the invigilators, right? Generally, examination department would go through a lot of exercise. I know this, I've seen this with my uncles who were professors in universities. They do a lot of exercise sitting in the examination department and setting up who is the invigilator for a particular exam and which department is this and which semester is this. So you can make life easy with a simple web application instead of building a spreadsheet for this, instead of putting a Word document or PDFs for this. So think about these things. These can be quick problems, or problems for which you can have a quick solution with ā'pěks. And you don't need to be an expert in technologies to build sophisticated solutions. Kovilpatti was mentioning that there are a lot of non-IT people, non-IT students in today's session. Well, you are definitely the right candidates for ā'pěks, right? We shouldn't be thinking that, I need to know SQL, I need to know C, C++, Java, Ajax, and, PHP, .NET, whatever. You literally don't need to know any of the technologies. All you need to do is just focus on solving the business problem. Let ā'pěks take care of the rest. Try to learn how to build applications with ā'pěks. And I'm sure in the process, during the program, you'll also learn a little bit of SQL, PL SQL, HTML, CSS, and that should do for you to get a job. What is my goal today? My goal for this session is to make sure that you are motivated that I can get a job with ā'pěks. And that's what Kovilpatti and his team are going to help you out with their training going forward. Okay. ā'pěks helps you to build enterprise applications. Enterprise applications means which can cater to hundreds and thousands of users, right? And you build applications 20 times faster with 100 times less code. You see on the screen ā'pěks versus JavaScript. Don't think that I'm against JavaScript. Definitely, I'm not at all against traditional coding. I love to code. Raja knows and Varghese knows how much I code in a day. I am not at all against coding, but what I mean to say is that when you have a low-code application development platform, you should utilize that to build applications faster and deploy to the market faster rather than spending time in writing hundreds and thousands of lines of code, right? How is this going to help me? You might say, sir, I'm a C++ expert. I just rock. I don't need to learn low-code technology. I can write code. But hang on there. Instead of writing code, think about finishing up an application first, rolling it out, get onto a new problem, building a new application. So you're saving time. Every line of code that you write in an organization has a cost associated with it. So in fact, by moving to low-code application development, you're reducing the cost of application development. And so your organization would be happy to take you, right? So they will think that, why should I hire a full stack developer who is building applications for months and months and spending so many project hours, as opposed to I'm getting things done in just a few hours or maybe days with an ā'pěks developer. That's what this mindset is right now. We all know how pandemics has impacted, right? The pandemic has impacted everyone here, irrespective of whatever and wherever we are, right? So during the pandemic, people really realize the need to build applications faster. There is no time. People are dying. People are getting into hospitals. There is no oxygen, right? There are so many issues that all of us has encountered. And during such crisis, low-code application platforms are really risen, right? We have seen drastic increase or uptake in ā'pěks and other low-code application platforms during the pandemic season. So definitely, traditional coding should be the exception, but not the rule. Nice, but not a must. Low-code application development platform can do most of the things for you. Well, with ā'pěks, you can build responsive web applications, meaning applications which can fit both your desktop as well as your mobile device, as well as your smartphone. ā'pěks allows you to build applications for both the devices, the screen sizes. With ā'pěks, you can visualize and manage data. You can apply your SQL skills and your database capabilities. I know that some of you, or most of you, are maybe non-IT here. So probably you don't have any exposure to RDBMS or Oracle SQL, PL SQL, or whatever. It doesn't matter, right? It's just a simple select statement or simple, SQL joins or whatever that Max will be using. And ā'pěks helps you building applications declaratively to the maximum extent. Low code means using less code. It doesn't mean you don't need to use code. A very less code, which is minimal, which you can do. And the next one we just covered, you can build applications for smartphones as well as for any device with ā'pěks. What exactly distinguishes ā'pěks from the rest of the low-code application platforms? Unlike other technologies, you don't need to install a client software. Whatever application development and deployment that you're doing is completely through a browser. You just use a browser, get into an instance, build applications, that's it, done. I'm sure you'll appreciate how quickly you can build applications in minutes, okay? And application definitions are stored in the database, so there is no code generation. This might be a little bit difficult or complicated for non-computer science students, but nice to know actually, okay? The entire processing is done within the database. So there is no latency at all with your application being rendered. The main motto for ā'pěks is, or the approach for ā'pěks is, develop quickly, customize, and then deploy quickly. So this is like a cycle, right? Whatever changes that you make to your applications. Okay, you might build an application and you can't keep quiet, right? Later on, your manager would come to you and ask, hey, I have some changes. How do you make it? You can make quickly and rapidly with ā'pěks, unlike writing code. You can deploy your applications anywhere. I'm sure, although you're non-IT students, you know what cloud is. Who are the cloud players here in the market? So the applications that you build can be deployed or can be installed rather in any of the clouds or in any regions or anywhere where your Oracle database runs. And do remember one simple mantra: ā'pěks is an Oracle application development platform. It is an Oracle database tool, basically. So you get ā'pěks only if you have Oracle database. Who is this good for? This is a very interesting thing. Line of business, business analysts, non-IT professionals. So you might want to relate where you fit in here. IT professionals, database developers, DBAs, DevOps, and finally you as students or professors today who wants to get into the low-code application development platform, right? So you are a good candidate to learn and develop your applications quickly. I just want to talk quickly about this. We are globally popular with more than 500,000 plus pro, workgroup, analysts, and citizen developers. And ā'pěks is used more than 140 plus countries across all industries. 200,000 plus active applications, 3,000 plus applications created per day, most used enterprise low-code platform. What type of applications you can build? You can build enterprise applications. You can convert your existing spreadsheets into applications. You can build reports, analytics, and you can also extend your existing enterprise software. We have a vibrant community, and hence you see all the people here. Some of the INOAUG members are here. I'm here, and then it is loved by vibrant, enthusiastic developer community. Globally, there is strong engagement in social media. What does it mean? I would really expect some of you would tweet about the program today and hashtag Oracle ā'pěks. We have been in the industry since 2004, right? So this is all some kind of marketing things, which I don't think you need, but I just want to let you know that we have been since 2004, and 2022, you see more than 260 features, and we have 22 plus releases as of today. You will be interested to know how is ā'pěks used really in the real world? What kind of applications? Just a quick look at this. So as you see on the screen, the first one is ARIA, which is a corporate directory that we have built within Oracle. Okay, so in ARIA, this is an ā'pěks application. All these are ā'pěks applications. So here you can search for the employees, and all the details of the employees will be displayed for you. Then there is a knowledge management application which we maintain internally, Einstein, where you post questions about different technologies and experts would answer that, right? And if you see ARIA, for example, you enter search for my name, and then these details will be displayed. I could have to cut down something, but you have tags, you have so much of information like telephone numbers, you get email IDs, you get what are the groups that I'm part of, whatnot, a lot of details. Okay. Then some external applications I would actually like to show you quickly. Hope you see my screen. If not, just let me know. Do you see my browser? Great. So what you see here is asktom.oracle.com. So this is a beautiful application which is built using ā'pěks. Okay. So where you have office hours, videos, the resources, everything, anything about Oracle technology, especially Oracle database technology. Okay. So this is an ā'pěks application. And then I would also like to show you, because you're students, you should be interested in livesql.oracle.com. It's because you guys are from Mac, maybe from chemical engineering, civil, industrial, and other branches here. So you don't know much about SQL. Should you be interested in learning SQL, I would suggest go to this place. Okay, type down some script and start learning coding, use scripts and tutorials and whatnot. You have a whole bunch of repository of information in here. Then the other one is I would like to show you is shop.oracle.com. So this is an application built for Oracle customers where you can browse all the products, right? And you can buy the software from Oracle. So this is also an Oracle ā'pěks application. Now let me move to the slide. Oh, I need to buy some more time from you guys. Now, let's get into the meat of the session. Career opportunities with ā'pěks. Okay, buddy, I learn ā'pěks. What for me? What am I going to get out of it? Why should I be in this conference hall at the assembly hall today? I spend my Saturday morning here coming to this session. Why should I care about ā'pěks? What is that it is going to fetch for me? I'm sure all of you here are with the mission that you want to get a job once you're out of the college, right? Either through campus placements or maybe through your own job applications or through job portals, maybe internships, right? So how can ā'pěks help you in accelerating your career or in your career success? Let's see. This is just in the morning. It was raining in Hyderabad, so I had to sit in my veranda and then take some screenshots for you guys. But I would like to show you really what it is. My idea here is to show you how many jobs you can see. Kirkwell must be smiling here. There are so many, right? In just 3 days, I noticed this morning, there are more than 32 jobs available for ā'pěks just within Bangalore, close to Bangalore, right? And then also, this is just only within India. ā'pěks is widely used in Europe, Germany, for example, Ireland, for example, Finland, Sweden, Norway, Denmark. You name the country, ā'pěks is really doing a lot there, right? So there are so many prospects. I'm not asking you to move out of the country, but I'm telling you there are abundant opportunities for ā'pěks, right? And you see, there are people outside India, maybe Saudi Arabia, Dubai, or UAE, wherever, Sharjah, or wherever you go, you have so much of scope to prosper as an ā'pěks developer. So I'm not joking. You just go to LinkedIn today, maybe just Google search Oracle ā'pěks jobs in India. And also don't forget to Google search for Oracle ā'pěks developer salary in India. I don't want to speak about it. You should know how much it is. Okay, so go do a search and I'm sure you will be very impressed. Trust me, Oracle database developer job is still the highly paid developer job in the market, provided you are an expert, you are certified, you know the subject, right? If you simply take a training, more of it, I need to get a job. No, nothing is going to work out. We'll come to that later. So what are some fancy titles that you see for ā'pěks developer in the market? You will be joining as an intern, let's say maybe in some DMAC properties or maybe somewhere else, maybe Big Basket in India or maybe anywhere else. Big Basket, everyone is trying ā'pěks, by the way. So you can get into as a developer intern, software engineer intern, app developer intern, right? And then you become an engineer, developer. These are some fancy titles that I got from LinkedIn. And then over a period of time, you'll be becoming a consultant, specialist, domain expert, and mentor. You will be, end of the day, a cloud developer. This is a fancy name, is it? Everyone says, I'm a cloud developer, I'm a cloud certified expert. Definitely with ā'pěks, because ā'pěks is enterprise ready from day one. ā'pěks is a cloud application development tool. If you are an ā'pěks developer, you are an Oracle cloud developer too. You will be knowing the cloud concepts too, for sure. Now, what are the required skill sets to becoming an ā'pěks developer? Now, don't feel shy that I'm from Mac background, I can't get this. That is not the case. Like I mentioned, ā'pěks is for anyone and everyone. Whether you're a citizen developer, you're a pro developer, you're a business analyst, you're a database administrator, you're a database developer, you're a PL SQL developer, you're a JavaScript developer, you're an Ajax developer, you're a PhD developer, and finally, even if you're a full stack developer, ā'pěks is the right tool for you to launch your career and prosper in it. Now, what are the required skill sets for you? ā'pěks web development. All you need to know how an application would look like. I'm sure everyone here know about Netflix, Amazon, and all those stuff, right? I'm sure everyone here would have bought tickets, airline tickets, maybe, or maybe ordered something in Big Basket or maybe Swiggy, right? At least you know what an application would look like. That is enough for you to get started with. The rest of the things are taken care by the training as well as by ā'pěks. And there is some desired skill sets which you learn once you're into the job, which is JSON, RESTful services, HTML, CSS, Oracle Jet, JavaScript, and jQuery. Why pursue becoming an ā'pěks developer as a career path? These are the titles we already talked about. There are plenty of opportunities globally, within India, within Tamil Nadu, close to Coimbatore, close to Salem, and close to Erode, or maybe close to Bangalore, or close to Chennai and Hyderabad, and even in Gujarat, North, everywhere. Stimulating and challenging responsibilities, an ā'pěks developer can make a database sing. So you know how to tune, you know how to build an application, you know how to make an application listen to everything. And there are excellent career prospects. There is really shortage of ā'pěks developers in the market. Trust me, there is really shortage. It is very difficult to get an expert, an ā'pěks developer, who is having 3 years of experience. Everyone knows here, right? So once you get trained, you should be able to get onto the job, at least as an intern, and prove yourself. So getting training is what you're doing right now. Gain practical and hands-on experience, strengthen your key soft skills, critical thinking, effective communication, get certified, contribute to the community. This is what is required. Don't just learn the subject and leave, because you will enhance your learning only if you share, only if you collaborate, only if you contribute. Now, how do you do that? Build applications for your neighborhood. I think you're in Kovilpatti, so might be some good, nice temples nearby. Might be some nice, churches nearby, or maybe some nice mosques nearby, whatever. Maybe build some applications for a church, build an application for a temple, build an application for a mosque, maybe. And if you're not religious, think about doing something for the community. Build an application for your city, right? For your block, for your apartment. Did I tell you that there are students who have built applications for their own apartment complexes and integrated them with IoT? Someone told me that they have built a water resource management application. So these are some classic examples of applying your knowledge of what you have learned to the community. So don't just sit idle after learning the technology. Expand your horizons by contributing, doing some kind of service to the community, build some applications for non-governmental organizations, for some, maybe for some philanthropic organizations, maybe for ISKCON, maybe for some churches, temples, whatever it is, do something. And most importantly, build applications for your university. Help out your university, right? For example, Alumni Association. I don't know if NEC Alumni Association has got an ā'pěks application. It's time to think about it. Why not? Which can generate automated emails to all the alumni for periodic, maybe meetings or whatever it is. Maybe something to capture nicely your images and profiles, right? You can do a lot of things. So think about it. So getting involved, finally, follow ā'pěks, Oracle ā'pěks on Twitter. I insist Twitter is the best medium, Oracle ā'pěks hashtag. And of course, me, if you want to know more about what is happening in ā'pěks, what is happening in the Oracle world, feel free to catch up with me on Twitter. I try to be as active as possible within my limited time, but you can always ping me on Twitter or also catch up with me on LinkedIn. LinkedIn official group we have, Facebook we have regional groups, Telegram, the INOAUG has got a Telegram group, a Telegram channel, which is very active. They help out people across. And then finally, there is one more generic ā'pěks Telegram group. So learn, share, and collaborate. Whenever you are tweeting about ā'pěks, whenever you're sharing anything about ā'pěks, about low-code application development, please do remember to hashtag these: Oracle ā'pěks India, Oracle ā'pěks JPAC, and INOAUG. This is what you're going to help us out by spreading ā'pěks in the region. So build enterprise applications 20 times faster with 100 times less code. I'm sure you would appreciate that once you are trained. And that's it pretty much from me. Thank you so much for this great opportunity. And sorry for extending 8 minutes. Thank you.
Thanks, Chaitanya. It's always a pleasure to listen your session. Thank you so much. Yeah. Now I would like to call KGS, Dr. KGS, Dean Placement, Head of IT Department, to come forward and honor the Chief Guest, Mr. Ankush Mittal, Business IT Head, Retail Logistics LLC. Ankush sir, this is a small momentum for you. As an honor of like appreciation, please take it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, KG sir. Yeah. I would like to welcome Mr. Ankush Mittal to launch the program by address the gathering.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Karkal. Thank you, Viryash. Thank you, Chaitanya. Thank you, Chitra, and everyone who has been a part of this journey till now. And it was a very nice introduction by the Chaitanya. And I also got it very much inside about this, mainly how to pronounce. Okay, but still that quiz is for the end, so I will also keep it myself for the end, how it will be. But it was a very good understandings about that inside about this particular program. And mainly which I feel from my side is that is the right time when you guys as a college students, okay, are getting into this, which is reality of the corporate world. Because as our education systems and all the things are not up to the mark. Okay, sorry, I was also a part of the education systems, and I have also gone through with your phases and all. But what I was learning, it was a good for academic calculation, and I was getting most of my percentage and all the things. But when I reached to the real corporate world, out of that I have used very few things, and the corporate world is required a different skill set. Okay, and which is not like you do not wanted to go in that, but majorly we wanted to make sure that if you know about what is really happening, how to solve the real problems, where that curriculum teams is giving you the inside of what is the way you can make an enterprise application. And definitely Oracle ā'pěks is a right tool which can be used for making your career. And I have seen into my organization also, when I started like from your age, where that we get freshers from this, then we have to train them and educate them how to learn about the new technologies and how to work into the corporate world. But if someone is coming with the experience of having the basic of these kind of tools, which is not being covered into our curriculum, then it's get automatically advantage. So I wish that you guys are really good. And ā'pěks, it doesn't matter that we are coming from which background, if it is coming from IT, or you're coming from civil, or you're coming from mechanical. It's only one thing is keep remembering about that, is that technology is now a part of the journey of every field. Okay, it's the days gone where the technology was only a luxury to use in a organization. As of now, it's become a need, and after this pandemic, definitely it is real need. So wherever you fit, if you are a civil engineer, you know about that. Without having the technology, you cannot move on. So let's learn about these things and utilize it. And Oracle ā'pěks is giving us the more opportunities in terms of developing application or developing a real side problems. Okay, and I would really appreciate if your KG sirs or anyone can assign you the real project. Okay, from what is your university is needed or what is your college is needed as of now, so that it could be come up with this. And definitely there is a number of opportunities are available. As Chaitanya has mentioned, whatever you name it, a lot of titles was there. Okay, I don't run behind the titles, I only run behind the real problems, and then we solve it accordingly. So thank you very much again, Karkal and the team, to organizing these kind of programs, and KG sir and the dean and principals and the management of the NCE college, to allow the student to learn about this. Because I could see that many of the colleges are still into a traditional courses and all. They are really struggling after that, getting the engineering completed in a market. Okay, when you are going into the job market, then they are going for another course and learning it, and it's again taking 6 months for getting a brush up into this. And don't feel that if you are not getting a job from a campus, you you're not unlucky. If you are getting a job in a campus, you're lucky. But if you're not getting a job in a campus, you are very much lucky, because when you are coming into the real market, you will be struggling in a starting days. But trust me, after some time, you will become a cream more than the guys who were selected from a campus, because you are coming out from your comfort zone. So please make sure that once you completed this kind of trainings and all, go out, see about that, how can you use these things for a real-time problems, and make sure whatever the projects you are doing in your curriculum, it should be very seriously think about that. This is an opportunity for you to learn how to work in a corporate environment. And once you are completed your engineering, trust me, when you are in an interview, you will be having a lot of confidence inside you, because you know that how to develop an application. Okay, and if it is a low code applications, or if you are a Java developer or whatever it is, okay, I'm not against any technology, as Chaitanya has also said. Same time, he is not against any technology. Only the thing is that we have to learn it more properly and make sure that from this training you get the corporate insight. Because when you learn from the Kirkle or from Fignet, they will give you what they are doing as of now in a corporate, okay, so that you can get a real-time problems. That's all. Thank you very much, and best of luck for this particular project. And I always wish that you guys are getting a real future, and next generation is always a near future for us, and you are more talented than any of us in a panel. Okay, so please congratulate yourself and make the clap for this program.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ankush.
Thank you.
Now I would like to welcome Mr. Varghese Matthew, Oracle ACE Associate Director, Overseas and Placement, Indian Oracle ā'pěks User Group, to come forward and deliver the lecture about INOAUG and membership.
Thank you, Karkwel. Good evening, everyone. Oh, sorry, good morning, everyone. Okay, so let me share my screen and I will. So all of you know, like, it's an India Oracle ā'pěks user group. It's inspected as a meetup group during 2016, formally inaugurated on 19th October 2019. And it's registered as an NGO organization, and it's a registered user community with the Oracle and affiliated to Auditor, part of ā'pěks or regional chapters across India. We have all the states, and we used to have quarterly meetups in regional chapters, annual conferences on ā'pěks, and we have a powerful Telegram channel like for support. And we have an official, website which you can visit, and register yourselves. I will take you to the next slides, then how to register yourselves with the INOAUG. And as I told you that it is the world first exclusive Oracle ā'pěks user group. And when you registered, like as a member, you will get a lifetime membership with a zero cost. And and how to register yourself, you can visit www.inaug.org, and you can see in the right corner there is a join INOAUG option is there. You can go there. You will get a screen which will have a limited fields. Okay, so you don't need to enter so many things about yourself. No need, just like a full name, email address, city, and all, and you will get a email link to activate, and after that you become an INOAUG member. So when you become an INOAUG member, you will get a lot of facilities. You will get a free trainings, and you can talk to the professionals, and you can also be part of webinars and training sections. And in the end of the the program, free training program, we are going to give a official certificate, and it is approved around the globe. Okay, and you will get a a badge. Okay, you can say that you are a certified PowerGrad Oracle ā'pěks fundamental associated. So you can place this this badge on your CV, so that you will get a call 100%, because you are a certified associate, and it is a powerful community, and around the globe. Okay, and then, as I told you, like because I'm taking care about like the placement across the globe. Okay, so we have introduced a full form called TPC, because most of the time the students used to ask, like, sir, after completing this training, will I get a job? Okay, yes, because then we are thinking about that after the training we should not left them, so we should give some good placements, not only in India, across the globe, so that we have made like TPC, T for training, and P for placement, and C for contribution. So this is what like we have got. This is called PowerGrad program. A PowerGrad is equal to TPC. So opportunity across the globe, as like Chaitanya was mentioning, all over the world, like there are a lot of plenty of opportunity. Even I also getting so many calls from different parts of even different parts of the countries, and asking me, can you provide a 1-year experience or 2-year experience ā'pěks professional? So it's right now it's a shortage. Okay, so please do your best, and try to learn ā'pěks, and join the community, and update your skills, and get a good placement across the globe. Okay, and these are the like different meetups what we have using, what we are used to do, like like we have conducted so many online programs in the COVID situation, and like, and so many students have benefited for that. Out of that, so many have got plenty of opportunities across a globe. So we would like to invite everyone, okay, and try to do more practice, and try to attend the training, because as we always say, that it's a free training. It's a free training, so that you don't get more serious on that, because free training in the sense, like it's free, but you'll not lose the opportunity. So thank you for joining today's this event, and thank you, Karkuel, and over to you, Karkuel. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Varghese, for explaining about INOAUG and then membership. It's a time to talk about the program description. So I would like to call myself to come forward and talk about INOAUG PowerGrad Oracle ā'pěks Fundamentals Program Description. Yeah. Okay. This is the blog post I have created for the program description. So this link will come to you. Your HOD and staffs will circulate to you. This will have everything. The program name is INOAUG PowerGrad Oracle ā'pěks Fundamentals. We have vision, like creating technology awareness of those in need and providing a platform for the underprivileged to learn from successful people for the attainment of the above objects, and also teach the software development technology and process to the students' communities, guide and help them to be well equipped to get employment opportunity. That is our vision. Mission, we used to provide Oracle ā'pěks fundamentals training to the universities, colleges, school students in India and across the globe. Okay, there's a syllabus, what we are going to cover during the training period. So you will be learning introduction to Oracle ā'pěks, gallery applications, also introduction to Oracle SQL and PLSQL, and exploring SQL workshops, building on application, how effectively you can build on application with Oracle ā'pěks, understanding application definitions, exploring shared components, files and reports, and how to manage pages in an application, developing different types of reports, developing and using forms, Oracle ā'pěks security. In addition to that, like we will be giving you like introduction to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Why we included this subject, this syllabus into this program is you guys are from non-IT. So I know it's very bit difficult for you guys to understand what is Oracle ā'pěks. That's what we have reframed the syllabus. So where you will be learning learning Oracle SQL, PLSQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, along with Oracle ā'pěks. and we will be giving you tips and tricks to create mobile applications with Oracle ā'pěks. Finally, we will be teaching you how to export and import on application on the server. This is all about syllabus. Let's talk about the program events. Inauguration, today we are conducting that, and sessions details. 5 online sessions will be there. 5 into 3, 15 hours of sessions will be conducted on weekends, preferably on Saturday. The roadmap already shared with the staffs. It will be come to you. And assessments, that would be the important part, I would say. 2 online and 1 offline assessments will be conducted, and total would be for 100 marks. First assessment, objective type questions, which is for 25 marks. Second assessment questions, also objective type questions, 25 marks. Both assessments, we will you will be writing in online mode. Assessment 3 would be mini project. Wrongly, I marked here 20 marks. It's 50 marks. So assessment 3, end of the program, everyone can be able to create an application individually. So assessment 3 would be mini project you need to create, and the review will be done individually by the external trainer. And graduation, certificate distribution, it's the end of the program. Okay, what we will do on the convocation ceremony? Okay, complimentaries. What are the complimentaries you will be getting after completion of this program? See, these are the some of the rewards from Indian Oracle ā'pěks user group. After students have completed their course and cleared the assessments, they will earn below rewards. One is INOAUG PowerGrad Oracle ā'pěks Fundamentals Batch, which Varghese shown earlier, and Certificate of Excellence for top 5 students, course completion certificate or participation certificate. One cannot get both the certificate, either course completion certificate or participation certificate. And Oracle Academy ā'pěks course version 19.2 PDF will be shared, which provides step-by-step instruction for implementing Oracle ā'pěks in your real-time projects. So that is for all the students who attended this session. Okay, let's talk about rewards eligibility. Okay, what should I do to achieve all the 4 rewards from Indian Oracle ā'pěks community? Okay, it's very simple. To get INOAUG PowerGrad Oracle ā'pěks Fundamentals Batch, you need to complete the course. Upon completion of the course and clear the assessment, students will be getting course completion badge. That badge you can put it on your resume when you are giving interviews. Certificate of Excellence. Top 5 students will be qualified to receive the Certificate of Excellence. Okay, how to get Certificate of Completion? We have set of rules and regulations in order to obtain Certificate of Completion. Students who scored more than or equal to 70 marks will be eligible to receive the course completion certificate. Certificate of Participation. Students who scored greater than or equal to 40 marks will be eligible to receive the participation certificate. You can ask, if I scored 39 or 39, sorry to say that you will not be getting any rewards from INOAUG. I am repeating it again. To get the certificate of completion, you need to score greater than or equal to 70 marks. In order to get the certificate of participation, you need to score greater than or equal to 40 marks. Sorry to say, who all are getting less than 40 marks, we can't give any rewards from INOAUG. Okay. Oracle ā'pěks course curriculum for all the attendees. So membership. INOAUG membership is completely free. It's mandatory to get rewards. Get your INOAUG membership here. When you click this link, it will take you to the INOAUG application. So on right side top corner, you can see on option join INOAUG. It will take maximum 1 minute to fill out. It will ask the basic information about you and be with us and registered with us. You will be receiving on mail with the member ID. Once you got the member ID, go to the staff and then tell that this is my name and member ID. We are going to print your member ID on the certificate. So certificate has your member ID for the validation. Okay. And important links. What it is, important links. we have conducted this course successfully for 2 organizations. One is for National Engineering College. We have done it on 25th July 2022. It has program summary. When you click this link, it will take you to the program summary. It has 68 slides where you can see how we have done this program in effective manner. So this is the program summary slides. So you can review that, like how we have done the program for NEC. And another link for PSR, we have done the PowerGrad program last week, 1st October 2022. This is all about program description. So this link will come to you. If you guys are having any doubts, you can ask your staff coordinators. Thank you so much. Okay. Again, now I would like to call Dr. KGS sir, Dean Placement, Head of Information Technology, to come forward and honor NEC alumni, Chitra Ranjan sir. Sir, please accept the momentum from the college.
Thank you, KGS. You better come to, you better bring the gift and come to Singapore. Thank you, Captain.
Now I would like to welcome Sita Ranjan sir to come forward and address the gathering.
Thanks, Karkwel, and thanks, Ankush, Chaitanya, and Varghese, and thanks, Dr. KGS, and all the other staff. And good morning to you all, my young NEC students. I'm the third batch of NEC, along with Dr. KGS. He was in the second year, second batch, and the third batch. So we grow together with the college. So because the college started just 1 year, 2 years, 2-3 years before where we joined. Okay, I'm not going to talk much on this one, Oracle or anything, but just want to, because being an alumni association secretary, assistant secretary, I would like the students to just to address the students on the mainly like a mentorship on these courses and all those things. So just take my life with the NEC. I share my experience with that this one. So now we passed out in 1990. Started doing a job. When we went out to the market, there was no placement or placement companies in those days. Now I see a lot of placement companies to come and take about almost all the students here for the past 15 years, right? So we didn't have that opportunity, but now you have a good opportunity to get a good placement. So getting a placement is one of the lecturers mentioned about what it's not the basic degree you take to them, you take some value addition, like certifications or anything, right? Rather than going into the industry and getting a certification, if an opportunity you get, like any certification programs like what Karpel is conducting, right? Anything, any opportunities, learn and get more knowledge, more, and then apply into your professional career, which will be a very good one, right? So in talking about this Oracle, the first time I heard this word Oracle was in 1994. I was a computer hardware engineer installing servers, PCs, and all those things. So I went to install to one of the banks about in 1994 about this one Unix, core Unix. So I installed the server and all those. Now I asked them, okay, what the application is going to use for? And then they say database management system, Oracle. Right. So Oracle, those days it was Oracle, IBM, and all those things were more proprietary. That it's like a monopoly type of thing. Now the monopolization in the recent past years has broken out. A lot of open applications and all those. Those days we didn't have any application. It was the blue color screen, white monitor, blue color screen. You can see in the banks those days. Those were the items which was there only certain trained professionals, trained people can go and meddle with that or do amendment or maintenance. So for that, we had those days even certification program. Now, the doing certification program those days was a very big challenge. Like it's almost doing a degree, right? Because there was very less institute to do certification programs in those days. Now, once the internet become more friendly and all these applications come on to this one, even you can like what our lecturers and also you can do it online even, right? So that's an opportunity which is already given to you all now. Take it as soon as you grab it and make the best opportunity of it. In 2015, I did a lecture at the college for your second and third year, my junior students. So during that time, I mentioned the word, right, about are you all the engineers soon after you graduated? No, you all are not the engineers soon after graduating. What you study, when you apply to your profession, you become engineers. So when you do the degree, you just on the curriculum, but you study in the curriculum. But these are the opportunities now you are getting from Oracle or other certification programs. If you have, it is a value added and advantage. So apply that one as I think Ankush mentioned, right? About apply that what in your profession, right? That is the main thing. You can have when you have a different opinion of platforms, you can select what you want to become, right? So you have it as a passion and go ahead and apply onto your job profession, whichever you are selected at the when you come out of your degree, right? And I think Ankush mentioned about these opportunities again. When a campus interview, you are being confined to one particular company and one particular opportunity only for this one. But that means you are lucky to get a job in campus interview. Soon after getting a if you are not getting a job in the campus interview, you are the most luckiest, because when you go out, industry have a very big opportunity, very vast thing. You can select your job what you want, right? Or you can be an entrepreneur of your own to become what you want, what is your passion. So it is all boiled down to the passion, right? So that you have a passion in your life, right? So the passion that okay, I want to become this one, right? Marrying, getting a job, and all those things are not passion, right? Those are part of the life, right? Those things, buying a house and all those things, those are part of the life, not passion. Passion is that okay, what I want to be, what I should contribute to the society, what I should be in another 10 years, another 20 years. So like that, you have a vision, goals, and everything, and move towards that. Right? On your way, you might have obstacles, you might come across difficulties, it doesn't matter. Have a plan A, although don't always have a plan B. Have a plan B also. Right? Now, we didn't expect the COVID in 2019. So all our lifestyle, everything is totally changed, right? The courses became online and all those things, which was not an unexpected. Those days we didn't have that opportunity of online courses. Now we have the opportunity. Make use of it and take the best out of it. I want to thank Kovilpatti for taking this opportunity, and Chaitanya and Varghese and Ankush for joining us on this one and giving a good opportunity for our NEC students for this. And thank you very much and all the best. Have a good future for this one. Thanks, Dr. KJS. Hope to see you in Singapore soon.
Thank you so much, Chittaranjan sir. I am also 2014 passed out electrical student. I am also NEC alumnus from year 2014. Okay, now it's a time to conclude. Students has any questions, so they can reach out to your staff coordinators, so they will clarify your doubts. And let's conclude. We would like to thank NEC management, director, principal, deans, HODs, staffs, and resource person Chaitanya, chief guest for the day, Ankush Mittal, INOAUG director, placement and overseas, Varghese Matthew, 1919 passed out Chittaranjan sir, Associate Secretary of NEC Alumni, Chittaranjan sir, and all my dear students for joining with us today, the program. Let us see next week. Until then, bye from INOAUG community. And thank you, Ashish, for joining with us. Yeah. So we are going to sign off. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you, one and all.
Kennedy, for your support.
Sir.
Thank you very much for your support as well as other dignitaries. Thank you very much.
Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Ankush.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It was a great session, and best of luck for your future. And definitely, we will see you. Bye.
Thank you, Ankush.